Welcome to the second video in our Invisalign Outcome Simulator Pro series. In this video, we'll explore the Invisalign Outcome Simulator Pro, multiple treatment simulations, and the different simulation view modes. The first time you use the Invisalign Outcome Simulator Pro, you'll need to set up your initial view. Select it based on the treatment options you usually offer. You can choose a default simulation, Invisalign, Invisalign Smile Architect, or Invisalign and Smile Architect comparison. In addition, you can set your default display mode, either in-face visualization or 3D models. Tap Save to continue. If a wide smile photo was taken with the Invisalign Practice app, IPA, you will be asked to confirm if it matches the patient by tapping Add this photo button. To use a different image, tap Change Photo. To skip photos and use only the 3D model view, tap the Skip button. You're now viewing multiple treatment simulations in the in-face visualization mode in Compare View. The Before view shows the patient's wide smile photo. The Invisalign view displays the orthodontic-only treatment simulation, and the Invisalign Smile Architect view shows the ortho-restorative simulation. You can switch between visualization types at any time. Tap the 3D model button to see the same three views, but only focusing on the dentition. Use the toolbar at the bottom of the screen to zoom, pan, rotate, and switch preset angles. If you captured a video in the Invisalign Practice app, IPA, you can view a simulation showing your patient's potential future smile with natural mouth movements. Tap on the Smile Video button. There are two types of smile videos. One showing the outcome before and after Invisalign treatment. Another showing the outcome before and after an ortho-restorative treatment. Switch between them with a single tap. In this video, you learned how to navigate between a 3D model, smile, and video views, and explore simulated treatment results. In the next video, we'll focus on fine-tuning your simulations using preferences, the tooth chart, and 3D controls for a personalized simulation.